Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the OMBAR dash cam, and on the right, we have the GMAPOP dash cam. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most crucial aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The OMBAR dash cam boasts a front camera that records in stunning UHD 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures in FHD 1080p. That means you'll be able to see license plates and road signs with crystal clarity. Alright, let's move on to connectivity and control. The OMBAR dash cam comes with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for faster transfer speeds. You can easily control the dash cam view and download videos, or even share them using the free KCam app. Plus, it has GPS functionality to record your driving route and speed. Now let's talk about some additional features that set these dash cams apart. The OMBAR dash cam comes with a reliable 64GB TF card for loop recording, ensuring you never miss any crucial evidence. It also has a G sensor that automatically detects collisions and locks the file to prevent overwriting. Finally, let's talk about the price. The OMBAR dash cam comes in at $199, while the GMAPOP dash cam is priced at just $99. Both offer great value for their respective prices, but if you're on a budget, the GMAPOP dash cam might be the way to go. The OMBAR dash cam has received positive reviews for its excellent video quality, ease of installation, and additional features such as loop recording and G sensor. Reviewers highly recommend it for peace of mind and reliable evidence on the road. On the other hand, the GMAPOP dash cam is praised for its functionality, picture quality, and easy installation. It also offers the convenience of pairing with a phone via an app. The GMAPOP dash cam is considered a good value for the price. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the OMBAR dash cam and the GMAPOP dash cam in various categories, from video quality to connectivity and additional features. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember to do your research and consider what matters most to you before making your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. And as always, stay smart and buy smart. See you next time.